back to another video, guys. The answer is no, nothing has broke. It is doing very well. We've got 3,000 miles, so it is time for an oil change. It is time for a tire rotation. We'll talk about the tires, we'll talk about the oil change, and we put the truck through a lot in the past 30,000 miles, so it's done pretty good. It's currently warming up. The garage is a mess. We are doing some boat stuff, we're doing some truck stuff, so we're staying busy, even though it's pretty cold, and let's get this video started. Alright, so we got the truck in the garage. It almost didn't fit. We didn't clear a black bracket on the middle here. This little garage bracket will not clear the light bar. You saw from some different angles, it was really close. So I think if I come in at an angle, if I didn't have all the stuff in my garage, I may be able to get the truck in. But it fit for now, so let's get this oil changed. Alrighty, so what are we using today? We had to go empty that at AutoZone. We're using some GTX by Castrol, of course, SAE 0W20. It is Dexos approved, so we're going to drain the oil and get started. In case anybody was wondering, the bolt to unplug is right next to the filter. We're going to get the filter out next once all the oil is drained. And be careful because it does come out quick and it's hot and you'll miss the pan like that. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. Quick day in the garage, oil change, tire rotation, 3,000 miles. Nothing wrong with the lift kit whatsoever. Everything's been doing great. Tires been doing great. No complaints. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Nice and short. Like and subscribe. See you later.